off talking about newspapers. And also right here to my right, I think you can see them, I have newspapers from yesterday. So let's take a look at these, and then I have a short clip to show you. So this is the Ames Tribune, and I was really excited to use the Classroom Elmo because I could show it very well and everyone could see it really well, but you can't see it so well. But anyway, we'll talk about, this is the way the Ames Tribune looks, and you're going to see all of these newspapers from yesterday. The big headline was, and here is the Des Moines Sunday Register, acquittal, right? That was the big headline for yesterday. Here's USA Today, portray Trump as a threat, again, related to the acquittal, I would say. And let's go back to this one, the Ames Tribune, which is our local paper. Even though it's a local paper, it also covered a big news story. When it's a huge news story and it's national news, even the local papers will cover the national story a lot of times as the headline. But the difference between a local paper and a national paper, obviously the ads are different, right? They're going to be more local ads in the Ames Tribune, and the stories will relate more to the people who live in the local communities. So that's called, what is that called? That's called product differentiation. Also, I want you to notice these papers because the way they look. What we're going to talk about in today's short video is how and why newspapers look the way they do today. So what you see is, you see big headline, even bigger headline in the Des Moines Register, and USA Today, which is also owned by the same company as the Des Moines Register. Big headlines that cover the whole page. Also, lots of pictures on these newspapers, right? And then one other thing about newspapers today, we're going to learn where this all came from. This is from the Des Moines Register. There are different sections, right? Sections of the newspaper. So you have sports section. You have Iowa Life. You have Metro in Iowa. You have business. These are all separate sections. And then you have the opinion section. So we're going to talk about opinions and where these came from. Yeah, when we look back at the history of journalism today. Again, I think all of this is fascinating. I hope you do too. We also have magazines in newspapers. Parade is a magazine. And so these are supplements to the newspaper. All part of that big package that that comes on Sunday, the Sunday paper. All right. So let's see. Today we'll talk about mainly newspapers. Wednesday when we meet, we'll talk more about magazines. And then the video for this week is Helen Gurley Brown, and she was publisher for Cosmo magazine. So you'll learn about her life and some of her struggles. It's interesting. Any questions, anybody, before I switch it to the short video clip we're going to watch for today? All right, I think we're all on the same page then, correct? Perfect. All right, I'm going to